Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making the classic Brandy-dessert cocktail, the Brandy Alexander. Created approximately 100 years ago as an equal parts cocktail. It's a creamy drink garnished with fresh nutmeg. Be sure to get a coupe ice cold, as no one wants a warm dessert. For ingredients, you'll need brandy, or in my opinion, a fruit-forward cognac like Courvoisier, crème de cacao, a chocolate-flavored liqueur, and an ounce of heavy cream, but I've opted for half and half. For those of the lactose intolerant variety, I highly recommend a lactate. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, and jigger, and measure 2 ounces of your brandy, 1 ounce of crème de cacao, and 1 ounce of half and half. Add a big rock of ice for lots of froth while reducing dilution, and shake for 30 seconds or so. Get your frosted coupe and double strain your cocktail into your glass. Garnish it with some fresh nutmeg for added aroma and complexity. There you have the Brandy Alexander. Now let's give it a taste. Chocolatey goodness with a fruity cream finish and gentle spice. Not my cup of tea, but I see why people like this. It's a nice, rich dessert cocktail. If you like boozy chocolates, this one's for you. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite creamy cocktail? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.